How to enable data saver on your Instagram Lite. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So if you want to enable data saver on your Instagram Lite, what you're simply going to do is first of all, launch the Instagram app on your device. After the Instagram Lite app is loaded, what you're going to do is in the bottom right corner of your screen, you can see your profile picture. Click on it. After you do this, it will take you to your profile page where you'll get all the information about your Instagram Lite profile. Now from here, in the top right corner of your screen, you can see a three bar option. Go there. Then you will be presented with various options over here. Among them, go to the second option which is data saver and then click on toggle this. Now, what this does is it uses less mobile data and gets more time on Instagram. So the videos will load in lower resolution and won't autoplay in feed as well. So by doing this, you have successfully enabled data saver on your Instagram Lite. Thanks for watching the video till the end. Hope you liked it and see you in the next video.